Let's talk about forces. This question came in 2024 Science Paper 1. So the question reads, a digital balance leads 50 kgs when a girl stands on it. What would be the mass and the weight of the girl on the surface of the moon where the gravitational field strength is 1.7 Newton per kg? One thing I want you guys to understand is that whenever we're talking about mass can never change. It's going to be the same whether you are on Earth or moon. Okay, so the mass is not going to change, it's going to be the same. Based on this information, we can clearly see that our mass in this case is going to be still 50 kgs. Okay, now how do we find the weight? You clearly know that the formula for weight is mass times g. In this case, g is this one which we have been given. We have been told that it is gravitational field strength. But I want you to understand something. Why am I saying this is g? G is basically meters per second squared. But let me show you something. Since we have been told that this is Newton per kg, Newton, that is force. Newton force is mass times acceleration. So mass is in kg, acceleration is in meter per second squared. So times, now here they have put per. This per is the same as divided by kg. So you can clearly see that kg and kg will cancel and I'll end up having meters per second squared. That's why I've said 1.7 is basically the acceleration due to gravity, which is g. So weight force is given by mg. M in this case is 50 times 1.7, that is g. So then weight is always in what? Newtons, and we have been told that it should be newtons here. So what is 50 times 1.7? That is 50 times 1.7, that is 85 Newton. Now we go back to our answers. The mass should be 50 kgs and weight should be 85. We can clearly see that the correct answer is B. So B is telling me that mass should be 50 kgs and weight should be 85 kgs. So that is it for this question. So the most important thing that I want you guys to understand is that the mass does not change whether the person is on Earth or on moon. So it's not going to change, it's going to be the same. So the mass that we're going to be given is going to be the same wherever you're going to go. It's not going to change. The only thing that is going to change is g. The acceleration due to gravity or gravitational field strength is going to change. Okay, so now using this information, I believe you can answer different questions under the same subtopic. Okay.